Today I'll be walking through how to operate the CX3 controller, from initial setup to daily scheduling and more. Once you power on your CX3 controller, you'll see the Faven logo appear on the display. Select your preferred language. After that, you set the current date and the current time. Finally, select the fixture type that your CX3 is going to be controlling. This is your CX3 home screen. At the top, you can switch between channel 1 and channel 2 and see the current date and time. The home button lets you return to this screen from anywhere in the menu. The sun icon takes you to the light adjustment and scheduling. The grid icon takes you to the configuration settings. The gear icon takes you to the controller settings. In the center, you'll see your fixture's live spectrum graph, along with light intensity, spectrum percentage, far red output, and spray mode status. The CX3 gives you two ways to schedule your chroma fixtures: manual mode and daily schedule mode. Manual mode runs your fixtures at a constant intensity and spectrum, with no schedule involved. Just select manual mode, set your intensity, and adjust the spectrum using the slider beneath the graph. From there, these are the settings until you either change them or switch modes. Daily schedule mode lets you build a repeating daily lighting schedule. To set one up, you'll need to set your desired fixture intensity. Then you'll adjust your spectrum by using the slider below the graph. And finally, you'll choose your daily start time and end time. You can also create independent schedules just for far red output. To do this, you'll want to turn on the far red feature. Then set your desired intensity and configure one or more sets of start and end times. You can even create multiple far red schedules to match different points in your photo period. One important note: while a daily schedule is running, the controller follows that program automatically. If you need to make a manual adjustment, press pause first. Press play to resume your scheduled operation. R-Series fixtures work much the same way, with two modes, manual and daily schedule. For manual mode, select and set your desired intensity. That setting stays active until changed or until you switch to another mode. To build a daily schedule, you'll need to set your desired fixture intensity, then choose your daily start time and then your daily end time. Once configured, your fixture will automatically turn off and on each day according to your schedule. The fixture configuration page is where you set up behaviors for each fixture as well as controller preferences. Use the channel selector at the top to switch between channel 1 and channel 2. For channel 1, you can change the fixture type assigned to the controller, enable or disable spray mode, and you can turn on or adjust sunrise and sunset, which gradually ramps the fixture's intensity up and down. Switch to channel 2 and you'll see all of those same settings plus one more, channel 2 mode. Choose follow and channel 2 will mirror everything programmed on channel 1. Choose independent and channel 2 can run its own separate schedule and settings. One thing to keep in mind: some CX3 interfaces may also show auto dim, auto shutdown, temperature calibration, humidity calibration, and CO2 calibration. These require compatible environmental sensors that are still in development. Until those sensors are ready, these options will display no sensor and cannot be used. The setting page is where you'll adjust your controller's preferences and check system details. Here you can change the date and time format, temperature units, either Fahrenheit or Celsius, touch voice, which turns sound effects on or off, screen brightness, screen off time, screen lock time, and preferred language. Tap system information to view your controller's hardware and software version details, including time zone, Wi-Fi network, and firmware version. Last option is to factory reset. This restores your CX3 to its original factory settings. But be careful, make sure that everything is documented before you proceed, because this action cannot be undone.